Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing one clear task and setting a 25-50-minute focus block so you get measurable progress. Do this now. Silence or airplane your phone and close unrelated tabs to remove triggers. Prepare minimal tools, water, timer, a single notepad, and run a 30-60-second warm-up to get into an attentive posture. Once done, you'll have fewer interruptions and a defined boundary. That clarity makes sustained attention easier and less exhausting. Now you sustain momentum by structuring work into Pomodoro-style cycles, 25/5 or 50/10, because rhythmic breaks reset focus and prevent fatigue. Batch similar actions so your brain doesn't pay switching costs. Make a rule of 1 to 2 context switches per hour. When a distraction appears, jot a one-word log and defer it to the next break so it stops stealing cognitive energy. Make sure to review that log during breaks. This preserves flow. Finish each session with a brief 3-minute review. Note what you completed and write one clear next action so you pick up smoothly later. Celebrate one small win to reinforce the habit, then reset your workspace to remove clutter and digital noise. If attention keeps slipping, troubleshoot by shortening focus blocks to 15-20 minutes and eliminating more stimuli. Turn off non-essential apps, use a sight blocker, or move to a quieter room. This helps you rebuild attention without blaming yourself and keeps progress steady.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.